Understanding growing pains in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, growing pains. Whether you've heard it in a conversation or come across it in your readings, understanding this phrase is important for mastering English nuances. Let's dive in and unwrap the layers of this interesting expression. The term, growing pains, refers to the challenges and discomforts that come with new development or progress. Interestingly, it's not just about physical growth, as the name might suggest. It's often used metaphorically to describe the difficulties experienced during a period of change or advancement in various aspects of life or business. Growing pains has its roots in the medical field, describing the aches children feel in their limbs due to rapid growth. However, over time, its use expanded beyond the literal sense to a more figurative one, encapsulating any troubles or obstacles faced during a period of transition or improvement. Let's put growing pains into context with some examples. A startup company might experience growing pains like tight budgets and overwork as it expands. Teenagers go through growing pains as they navigate the challenges of adolescence. Societies often face growing pains as they adapt to new technologies and social changes. These examples show that growing pains are a normal part of progress and shouldn't discourage us. To help you use growing pains correctly, here are a few sentence examples. The team is going through some growing pains as they adjust to the new management. You might feel some growing pains when learning a new language, but that's part of the process. Remember, using phrases like these can add depth to your conversations and writings in English. I hope this video sheds light on what growing pains means and how you can use it to express the sometimes uncomfortable parts of growth and development. Keep practicing, and don't let the growing pains discourage you from your learning journey. Until next time, keep expanding your English skills.